Describe an occasion when you lost your way. During my holiday in Singapore, I had an occasion where I lost my way in the bustling city. It happened one evening when I decided to explore some of the less touristy areas of Singapore. I had been walking around for a while, enjoying the sights and sounds of the city, when I realized that I had lost my sense of direction. The unfamiliar streets and tall buildings made it challenging for me to figure out where I was. At first, I felt a bit anxious and disoriented. Being in a foreign city, far away from home, losing my way was a bit unsettling. I didn't have a map or GPS with me, and my phone battery was running low, which added to my worry. However, instead of panicking, I took a deep breath and decided to stay calm. I knew that getting flustered wouldn't help me find my way back. I decided to approach a local resident nearby and ask for directions. The person was incredibly kind and patient, even though I struggled to pronounce the street names correctly. With the help of the friendly local, I managed to find my way back to a more familiar area. From there, I was able to recognize some landmarks and navigate my way back to my hotel safely. Despite the initial stress, I realized that getting lost had its benefits. It gave me the opportunity to interact with a local and experience the warm hospitality of Singaporeans. It also pushed me out of my comfort zone and taught me to be more cautious and prepared for future adventures. After that incident, I made sure to carry a map and a fully charged phone whenever I ventured out in an unfamiliar city. I also made a mental note of my hotel's address and nearby landmarks to help me stay oriented. Getting lost in Singapore turned out to be an unexpected adventure and a valuable learning experience. It taught me the importance of staying calm in challenging situations and the kindness of strangers in a foreign land. Now, I approach travel with more confidence, knowing that even if I lose my way, I can rely on my resourcefulness and the helpfulness of others to find my path again. One. How can people find their way when they are lost? When people are lost, there are several ways to find their way back. They can ask for directions from locals or use GPS navigation on their smartphones. Following landmarks or signs can also help in navigating unfamiliar places. Carrying a map or using map apps can be beneficial, especially in areas with limited or no internet connectivity. 2. Do you think it is important to do some preparation before you travel to new places? Yes, it is essential to do some preparation before traveling to new places. Researching the destination, learning about local customs, culture, and language can help travelers adapt more easily. It is also vital to plan the route and check for accommodation and transportation options to ensure a smooth trip. 3. Do you think it is important to be able to read a map? Yes, being able to read a map is still an essential skill, even in the age of GPS. Maps provide an overview of the area, and understanding them can aid in route planning and orientation. In situations where technology may fail or is unavailable, a paper map can be a valuable tool to find the way. 4. Is a paper map still necessary? While digital navigation has become prevalent, a paper map can still be necessary, especially in areas with poor or no internet connectivity. Paper maps are reliable and don't require batteries or data connection. They also provide a broader perspective of the region, making it easier to understand the surrounding geography. 5. Why do some people get lost more easily than others? People may get lost more easily due to various factors. Lack of navigational skills, poor sense of direction, or unfamiliarity with the area can contribute to getting lost. Additionally, anxiety or distraction can also affect a person's ability to navigate effectively. 6. How do people react when they get lost? When people get lost, their reactions can vary. Some may feel anxious or frustrated, while others may remain calm and try to find a solution. Asking for help, using navigation tools, or retracing their steps are common strategies used to find their way back. The ability to manage the situation calmly can be crucial in resolving the issue effectively.